Good day. Let me ask you a question. Do you think Forex is gambling, prediction, or just buying signals? If you do, you're not stupid. You just thought the wrong thing. Because Forex is not gambling, it's not prediction, and it's definitely not buying signals. Forex is a global exchange and liquidity system. And once you understand that, trading starts to make sense. Most beginners enter Forex thinking it's about guessing, up or down, buy or sell. They look for indicators, signals, or someone to tell them exactly when to enter. It's like walking into a casino and asking someone, which table is hot today? And when they lose money, they say Forex is a scam or the market is manipulated. But the truth is, the market isn't emotional. People are. Why price moves? Price does not move because RSI crossed 30. It does not move because MACD crossed 0. Price moves because orders are being filled. Think of price like a marketplace. If many people want to buy tomatoes at 500 naira and sellers agree, price stays there. But if sellers disappears, buyers must offer higher price in order to secure their tomato. That's how price moves. In Forex, those buyers and sellers are mostly institutions, not retail traders. Who really moves the market? Banks and institutions move the market, and they need liquidity to enter and exit trades. Imagine trying to sell a big property. You wouldn't sell it where no buyers exist. You would go where people are already interested. Same thing in market. That's why price moves towards obvious highs and lows. That's where orders are. Why most retail traders lose? Most retail traders lose not because they are unlucky, but because they trade inside a system they don't understand. It's like driving a car without knowing what the brakes does. You might move fast, but you wouldn't stop in time. They overtrade, they ignore risk, and they trade emotions, fear, greed, revenge in a market that runs on rules. The BossFx perspective is, at BossFx, we don't see Forex as gambling. We see it as a structured system driven by liquidity, timing, and risk. Just like an engineer doesn't guess if a bridge will stand, they calculate it. That's how we approach the market. And that's why system matters. And eventually, automation. Because systems don't panic and bots don't revenge trade. If you remember one thing from this lesson, remember this. Forex is not gambling. Forex is not about predicting price. It's about understanding the system behind price. In the next lesson, we'll break down how price actually moves. If you want to learn Forex the perfect and right way, join BossFx Telegram channel and community. Have a nice day.